Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can, select, create drop-down Excel sheet, drop-down calendar in Excel sheet. How you can create the, date picker calendar in Excel sheet. So guys, this is video will be very short. So I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, let's start with the video. This is the Excel. I want to pick up the date easily from here, from date picker calendar. So there is a I'll show you the there is a many formulas you can use to create the drop down Excel, but I am showing you the very easy formula here, easy way to here you can say create the drop down Excel sheet in here, or date picker calendar here. So select the cell. You don't need to select the cell, just go to the developer option. You do If you don't have developer option, just go to the another tab and just click right, and you can customize the ribbons. In customize ribbon, you will in left side you will have the developer option. You will have I already add here developer option, so I'm unable to see my developer option. You will see your developer option in this section. Just click on developer option, just add it, and just click on OK, and it will be add here in developer option. Just now you have to go in add on. Now you have to go in developer. In add-in section you have to click on add-on, go to the store, and here search your date picker. This is the date picker add-on you have to add. Just continue. It will be add here in your screen. Just okay. Okay, now select the cell we want to select, enter the date. Just select the date from here. You can, okay, you can move okay, just select the date, just select the cell and date. Okay, you can insert your current time also. Oh yeah, and you can change themes from here. This is simple way you can insert the date, or you can, create a date picker calendar in here. So if you want to, if you your work is done, when your work is done, just go to the option here and just delete it. Okay, so whenever you need again, just go to the developer option, go to the add-on. You have to open this mini Excel. Now I have to start your work with this calendar. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.